Guys, today I'm unboxing and giving you my first impressions on this, the Reolink Argus PT wireless and solar powered security camera, coming right up. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. And if you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Yes, today guys, I am super excited to be unboxing this. This is a solar powered and battery powered wireless security camera from a company called Reolink. So guys, I just wanted to say that this unit was sent to me by Reolink to do this video. I'm not sponsored in any way, so guys, you know you will always get an honest review from me. So yes guys, this camera is solar powered, battery powered. I mean, how cool is that? So guys, I use a bunch of different security cameras. I've got a Samsung wired camera, which although it kind of uses Wi-Fi, etc, it's mains driven, plugged in and fairly static. I also have a bunch of these. These are the Arlo cameras from Netgear. And again, very good image quality, well built, but you know what? The batteries do run out fairly quickly. So I know you can kind of wire these in as well, but I like the kind of portable nature of it. But actually having a security camera that's battery driven and that you can power via the sun, that's pretty cool, right? So guys, this comes in two packages. You get the solar panel in one package and you get the security camera in the other package. So guys, let's start with the solar panel and let's get these unboxed. So guys, there we have it. In the box, solar panel first. Here's the actual panel. So there's actually quite a lot of cable on there, and it's micro USB, the connector, and it's got this kind of weatherproof shield on it. So by all accounts, I think a couple of hours a day is enough to power the camera on a daily basis. So you know, you kind of need to mount this at like 45 degrees and make sure that you know you kind of put it at the most sunniest part of your house. Like I said, a lot of cable there. Also, this comes with a mount. So the mount, you kind of just screw this in here, and then this has got fairly good adjustment, so you can kind of angle it. So there you have it. You just angle it like that, and that is going to be good enough to stop you collecting dirt, dust, debris, whatever. So there you go. This just mounts onto the wall somewhere. So that's going to be like that in the box, amongst all of the documentation. you get this, which is a template. So easy to install. You also get yourself a sticker here to let people know that you are armed and dangerous, and a warranty card, and well, and a certificate of compliance. So that's your lot in the paperwork. I kind of like the packaging though. This is really nice. Be prepared, be Reolink. I like that. So that is the panel. I think it's pretty cool. Like I said, you know, these other cameras I've got kind of chew through batteries, so I think this is going to be a very, very, very good idea. Moving on to the camera. Well, this, guys, is pretty smart. In fact, you've got an aerial here that you can just screw on, and then you can kind of angle that up, so that's pretty cool. But this thing has got full pan and rotate on it, so pan and tilt I should say. Full pan and tilt on here, which you can control from your mobile phone. Pretty cool. So again, same kind of envelope full of documentation. You kind of have this bracket arrangement that kind of goes into the wall or on the woodwork, wherever you want to mount it, and this is a template for that. USB cable, micro USB cable, in case you don't want to use the solar panel. I don't know why you wouldn't, but you know, this thing, you can charge it up, so it's got a battery inside it, and yeah, you know, you could just plug this into a USB connection, some kind of charger, wall charger or something like that, and you're good to go. But I think the solar power panel, like I said, is definitely a differentiator with this. This will get like this little bracket here, and this is what kind of screws into the camera, and we might as well give it a go. So again, you're going to be, screw that up, you're going to be mounting that like that on the wall. Cool. So I'm going to take this off just for a sec so I could just keep showing you the camera. But on the back here, like I said, you've got the aerial. You've also got this little tab. If I pull it, you've got this little tab which has got the micro USB connector if you do want to plug the cable in. And you've also got this other little tab here, and if I pull that out, try and pull it out. There you've got the on-off switch. So what we're going to do, guys, is we are going to set this up with the app. So guys, let's set this application up. So at the moment there is some battery in here. I'm going to just open up my phone and open up the Reolink app, which you can download from the Play Store or from the iOS store, the Apple Store. Here my device now is connected, so this is the camera. I'm going to put my hand in front of that. You can see that that's connected, and hold that up there. So on here I've got a number of options. I can pause the live stream. If I do that, it kind of pauses it, and then I can play it again. Let's do that. I've actually got a speaker that I can turn audio on and off. I've got record photographs or video, but I believe in order to record them I need to have to put an SD card in, so I'll dig one of those out later. Also, if I click on here, it kind of gives me an option for 1080p, and as you can see, the camera quality is pretty good. Considering I'm not really pointing at anything in particular, you're basically seeing a studio arm and a light. Not very interesting. And I can also go full screen with this here, like so. So there we are. So they're the kind of modes. Let me just go back to non-full screen. I also have the ability to do a playback, and there's nothing recorded, so it's not going to play anything back. I can also, this PTZ, this, I don't know if you can see it on that camera, but this enables me to now move the camera around. So if you just take a look at this, this is rotating up and down, and also panning as well. I don't know how far around it goes. Let's see. Oh, 360 degrees. I'm upside down, of course. Not quite 360 degrees, but pretty good nonetheless. Cool. I'll come out of that. I've also got the ability to talk to anybody in the vicinity of this camera. So if I push this button, I can now talk. I'll stop that because I got terrible feedback. And it's pretty loud. So yeah, pretty cool, I think. In terms of settings, I can see my camera, I can see the battery life that's available. It says 40%. It's just come like that, so it's not charged, but of course, got the solar panel, so that's pretty cool. Also, it's telling me that the PIR sensor is on, it's telling me that the camera recording is on, shows me the network I'm connected to. I can get push notifications, so that's pretty neat. I can also enable email alerts, and I can set a siren. And also I can share recordings and audio clips. So guys, this is a pretty cool device. It's easy to set up. That literally took 5 minutes. I want to see what it's like in comparison to the Arlo cameras. I think it looks good so far. The camera quality looks really, really good. I think I love the fact that you can pan and tilt. That's brilliant. You can set this up on your computer if you want to, but to be honest, you know, we kind of carry these things around with us all the time, so I'm probably just going to set it up on my mobile. I'm not entirely sure if this has got like Alexa integration or smart things, which I use myself at home, but I will take a look at that. What I will be doing is I'll be setting this up over the next few days with the solar panel. I'm going to be testing the battery life, the quality of the camera, false alarms, the PIR detection, and I'm really going to be putting this through its paces. I'm going to keep it in this room. I don't think I'm going to install it outside of the house right now, but you know what, this thing's got very, very, very good potential. I think, you know, right now the camera quality looks really good. Like I said, love the pan and tilt. Not sure about, you know, range of Wi-Fi and stuff like that, but again, gonna test that out. But guys, you know, this is a nice piece of kit. Fairly inexpensive. I'm gonna be putting the link to this in the description, and also the price of it. But you know what, I think I think it's good. I think it's good. I think, you know, for a fully pan, rotate, camera that's going to stream to your mobile, record to an SD card, that's waterproof, the picture quality is good, day and night, black and white, it's all there guys, it's all there. So guys, if you've got any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Like I said, I'm going to be back in a few days time once I've had a chance to put this through its paces. I'd like to say thank you again to Reolink for sending me this device, because, you know, I absolutely love reviewing new technology, as you might know if you watch my channel. But guys, so far I'm pretty impressed. Solar panel, full pan and tilt camera with audio, I think it's great. So guys, thank you ever so much for watching. As I said, any comments, questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Please be sure to subscribe, like the video, and please click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos, and I shall be posting my update shortly. And guys, I may also give this away, so stay tuned, keep tuned. Guys, I'm Dave for Seeing Through a Lens. Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.